Hello viewers, this is Ishmeet from Sanskar Valley School, Bhopal. So today I'm going to make a library management system in spreadsheet, Google Sheets. I have already made one, but I'm going to show you. I have done all these, I've added all this information. So first we need to add this columns, so I have them in my table. Then we need to calculate the total amount by multiplying rent per day into number of days. So I'll go to total amount. Over here you can see the formula. So I'm going to show you again. I just type is equals to for the formula start. I select the corresponding day, asterisk, and the corresponding rent per day into the corresponding number of days. Enter, and I get the value which I want. Next, validation show you number of days cannot be negative or 0. Okay, I go to valid. So I have added a validation. First I'm going to show you. So sorry, it's not about. So rent of the number of days cannot be 0. So if I try putting 0 here, it gets an invalid input. That means I've added a validation. If how I've added it, I go to data. I go to data validation, and over here that is greater than equals to 1. I go criteria set as number, then greater than equals to 1. So it can't be 0 and it will be greater than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to change this value and done. Now category of books can be the given. So I have added these categories and I have added this drop down by data validation. I'm going to show you how I have done it when we reach over here. Okay, so first I need to show you formatting, merging of cells, calculation with basic formulas, etc. So I'll go to formatting. As you can see, I formatted it. It looks good. So library management system. So I can change the color. I can make it bold and italic. I can change the size, and I can change the font. I can change the alignment too. Then I have applied borders. So here, full borders, and done. I have applied colors. I'm gonna show you. I just go here, color, and I'll get this color, and done. Merging of cells. So as you can see, I merged a cell over here. I'll unmerge it, and on clicking on this button, so we need to select the cells we need to merge. So I just select these cells and we click on merge. So it gets merged. Simple. Next, calculation with basic formulas. So I have applied some basic formulas over here and over here which I showed you. So to take out the average, this is the basic formula average, and then select the range. And then total. So sum is also a basic formula. So I write sum and then select the range. So these are some basic formulas. Next, data validation. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I've done data validation for these categories. So I'll just select them. I go to data. I go to data validation. So I have entered the cell range. In criteria, I can select whatever I want. Suppose I want list of items, and then I can enter the items. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I can even add. Suppose I want Hindi books, and it will appear over there. I'll add one and show it to you. Click on save, and Hindi also appears over here. I'm going to remove Hindi also, data validation, and we can just edit it anytime we want. Then we have show drop down list. So this is for this icon. It will not appear if we click over here. Show validation help text. Okay, so it will show help text. Click and enter value from the list of items. Okay, and on invalid data we can just reject the input or show warning. Okay, I click on save. Now you can't. Now, okay. Just a second. I just think we still need to remove Hindi. It then got removed. I go to data validation. Remove Hindi. Click on save. Now we can't see Hindi in our list. Next. So I'm just doing some formatting. I'm showing how I can remove bold and add bold. Okay. Next. Then we have conditional formatting. So suppose I have applied a conditional formatting, I will show you what does it means. Okay. Suppose I want to highlight all the numbers which are greater than 10. So all the days, if someone has taken for more than 10 days, I want to highlight them. Okay. So I just select this. Then I go for format. I go for conditional formatting, and I'll add another rule. I have already added one, so I'll change the color. So I'll write format cells is greater than or equal to 9. Okay, so I'll go for greater than equal to 30. Okay, actually both of the formulas are overlapping. So I'm going to remove this, then we'll add another rule. Okay, so I'll go for greater than equals to value or formula. So my value should be, suppose I want greater than equal to 20. So they'll get highlighted who are greater than or equal to 20. Done. So in this way we can do conditional formatting. Then sorting and filtering. Okay. So I've applied a filter. I'm going to remove it because sometimes it disturbs while doing sorting. So I go over here, remove filter. I'm going to show you how I'll add it. So I just select this range. I select this and I click on data and I can just sort it, but I'll select the upper row also. I'm going to show you. If I sorted it by directly clicking, then what will happen is the top row, which is a header row, will also get sorted, and the table will look badder and will become bad. Means it will just, the headers will also come down. So to do this, I just click on sort the range and we click on data as a header row. Then we select Z to A or A to Z, and okay, as it was always sorted, it didn't show any change. Okay, next create, and we click on create a filter. Okay, first I'll select this and till here, and we click on create a filter. So filter appears here. With this filter, So it best works over here for category. So I go for category. Suppose I want to see the fun learning books. So I remove all of the other ticks. Okay. And only the fun learning books will come. So right now there is only one. Okay, so I'll go for fun learning and computers. There are two. I'll go for fun learning computers, fiction and non-fiction. So most of them appear here. Last science. I can see the whole table now. So I suppose I have covered all the topics. Bye and thank you for viewing my video.